We're trying to finish off the game for the first grade Mac. One of the things we need to do is some sound effects. For example, for this for the bubble pop game. It's 12, so that should pop. So these bubbles, when they pop, they're not making any sound. We want to add a little bit of an effect. Also as feedback, that, you know, an auditory feedback that you pop the bubble. So we're going to record that. Alright, Connor, show the bubble pop. Okay.
No, I wasn't.
And now,
let me try. I can do it better.
How about you try the better part under the blanket?
I got
so
this.
We don't have a recording studio, it's just our office. So Connor's gonna wear the headphones, and that's regular headphones, nothing special about them. They're on the floor here. Here, put the headphones on. Surprisingly, those are the ones that do the best sound. So you don't have to worry about what you can hear, just worry about how
What?
you may want to have this
Oh,
closer. Yeah. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to go over to the computer and I'll give you a cue when I'm ready to record. You got the blankie on?
Check.
Alright, so Connor's going to make the pop sound after I press the record button so that we can capture it. Alright, Connor. Go for it. Oh, nice. I already stopped it. Here we're going to play it again. Oh, that sounds too low. So let's put in a gain. Gain is right here. Pretty high gain. 17, 18, 19, something like that. Let's play it again. Yeah, that sounds better. Let me go a little lower. There we go. There's a pop. Alright, now we're going to remove the noise. So we get the noise profile from the flat portion of the curve, not the actual pop. This is where the pop is, where you see this sine curve going up and down further. So effect, noise removal, get the noise profile first, and then we go take the actual sound portion. We don't want this to be too big a sound, so I'm just gonna take close to it because we want to pop to play almost immediately. There we go. Let's say effect, noise removal, and this time we just click OK. So now the curve changed slightly. You can't tell probably, but when we play it again, and this time it's a little clearer. I don't know if you can tell in this. There we go. That's nice. So we can just, now to save that file, we go File, Export Selection. So we're only going to export that little part of the curve, and that will get rid of all the extraneous stuff before and after it. And we call it POP, pop. I had an earlier recording, but that was not good, so I replace it. I'm going to save. And we're going to put it on the, well, yep, replace it. Okay. And now we're going to put it on the tablet and see how it sounds. So here's my Eclipse screen. Obviously you can't see that. I'll share the code somewhere else, but or in the post. But here's the sound manager, and you load the pop sound, r.raw.pop. That's where it went. It went into the resources raw folder, and we have our pop sound. And we have a method called play pop, which we call to play it at the when we need to pop the bubble. So I'm just gonna run this. I have the tablet attached, so you're gonna run it. So it starts loading it. The Kindle didn't attach properly, sorry. So I'm gonna try it again. Run first grade math. Let's go over here. And there we go. It loaded it up. I'm going to press the add. It's just level 4. The bubbles come up fast. So we go 11 plus 0. Pop! Nice pop! Now we got the sound. Yay!